All right, so take a look at the portable monitor. Okay, so we got a manual. It says it is a 15.6-inch monitor. This is a nice color manual as well, so that's nice. Oh, wow. So there it is. And that is a nice, super thin monitor. That is cool. And you can kind of see on the back what the buttons do. So this is the power, this is the scroll wheel, and then this is the audio jack. Now on the right side, we got 2 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port. And it looks like we do have a couple of speakers on here as well. Oh, that's cool. So we got a USB-C to USB-C cable, and it's a nice thick cable as well. We've got a USB-C to USB-A cable, and our HDMI to mini HDMI cable. So if we got something HDMI, we can plug that directly into the monitor with this. So that's nice. It's nice that they actually included all these cables with it. We also have our power supply. So it's AC to USB-A, and it says it outputs 3 amps at 5 volts. So one of the cool things about this is that the case is actually magnetic. So it kind of sticks onto the back of the monitor, and then we can use the rest of the case as the stand. Now the second cool thing about this is if this is a USB Type 3 or Type 4, we can actually use this as the power as well as the data. So we don't have to plug power and HDMI into this thing. We can use this one port to send the video over as well as power that monitor. Just like that. Let's go ahead and turn the brightness up. Now this monitor is not a 16:9, so let's go ahead and extend this. Because right now we're just duplicating. So now I've got this as a completely separate display. And I can take this, I can take anything I want to, throw it over there. I can use this as a secondary display for my laptop. And being able to have something like this that I can just take, fold up, just so neatly like that, throw that right in the bag with my laptop, that is just awesome. So the scroll wheel does everything here. I can use that to adjust contrast. DCR, what is that? Oh, that's cool. We got our presets. Oh, wow. There we go. That is a lot better. Okay, now we're talking. So this looks like something I would actually want to play with. So yeah, that is a great little extra monitor. It's going to be great having that thing that I can take around with my laptop, because once you go with 2 monitors, it's hard going back just to one.